Hi. Okay, so today we want to discuss for the next subtopic is all about 3.7 electrical energy and power. So refer to the symbol of energy E in unit SI unit in joule. So refer to the equation electrical energy equal to VIT, or you can use I square RT. Okay, so here actually the small t. Sorry. Alright. So refer to the power. Okay, power, the symbol is capital P in SI unit watt. Watt. So be careful here. As a note, sometimes we call as a power loss. So refer to the equation. So power equal to I square R. It can be I square small r. And then another equation, P equal to IV and V square over R. Next, so refer to the potential divider. So this is the R1, this is R2. So we can label the voltage across R1 is V1 and the voltage across R2 is V2. Right? So this is the power supply. So if we want to determine this value, so we can use V1 equal to R1 over R1 plus R2V. So V here refer to this V, battery. So same with V2. That's why we call as a potential divider. Okay, next. For the 3.9, we need to discuss potentiometer. For actually, we had do the experiment for the potentiometer before this. Okay, just look at the function. Potentiometer can be used compare the EMF of two cells, measure unknown EMF, and also measure the internal resistance. Alright, so refer to the resistance and the length. So we can use here Rx. Actually, Rx is unknown resistance. Okay, or we can state as a balance. Okay, and then for the Lx, we can state as a unknown length or balance length. So balance condition, okay, can achieve when the galvanometer G give 0 volt reading. Okay, now we want to discuss one question related to the potentiometer. Alright, so now we need to look at the concept for the galvanometer and the potentiometer. Before that, refer to the circuit. So actually we have one dry cell battery 2 volt, and then external resistance 3 ohm. Now the question given a few value for the length AB. So this is the A and B. So the length is 100 centimeter. Now be careful here. Along the resistance, along the wire, so has resistance to ohm. Alright. So now, initially, from the battery or dry cell here, so we have positive, negative terminal, meaning the arrow will show the direction of the current produced. So this is the current produced by the battery or dry cell. Okay, what happened here? So this is the current. Alright. Okay, so for the first concept here, galvanometer reading 0 volt at balance length. So at galvanometer, so we connect with the one jockey and then label as point C. So what happened when the jockey at point C? The galvanometer will show 0 volt, meaning this length from A to C become the balance length. Alright. So now at balance length, so the value of unknown EMF equal to VAC. So here from A to C also we have potential difference across the balance length. Next, to determine this value, so to determine unknown EMF here, so when the galvanometer shows 0 reading, meaning this potentiometer is balanced. So the value of unknown EMF equal to the value of potential difference across AC. But now, how to determine the value of potential difference across point AC? So we use Ohm's law. Okay. So refer to the loop 1. So now actually we have two loop 1 and loop 2. So this is loop 1, this is loop 2. So to determine the value of this current, so actually this current should be the green color. Okay, so using Ohm's law, then substitute the value of EMF here. Okay, here. And then substitute with the 3 ohm external resistance here. And be careful here, along resistance AB. So the value of resistance is 2 ohm. So this is 2 ohm. Okay, actually for the 3 plus 2 ohm, we combine as a as a as a series. Therefore, we can determine the value of current along the loop 1. So, after that, we need to determine VAC because of, okay, for the value of current here equal to 0.4 ampere. But now we want to determine the value of RAC. So how? Now refer to this value. Okay, given the original length of wire AB 100 centimeter, then the resistance along AB 2 ohm. So given the balance length 60 centimeter. Okay, meaning the balance length should be referred to LAC. So we can consider L balance actually length AC. And then R balance actually RAC. So the problem is we need to determine RAC. So refer to the concept of resistivity rho equal to RA over length, then rearrange as a R equal to resistivity length over area. So we can see here what is the relationship between resistance and the length. The relationship is directly proportional. So that's why we come up with the idea. Okay. So RAB equal to LAB over R balance actually refer to RAC, and then L balance actually refer to LAC. So substitute the value. So we find R balance equal to 1.2 ohm. Actually, this is the value of RAC. Then substitute here. Okay. Substitute here because of we want to determine VAC. So VAC equal to current 0.4 ampere times with 1.2 ohm. So we get 0.4 times 1.2. So the answer is 0.48 volt. So 0.48 volt actually refer to the value of unknown EMF that we need to calculate. So the answer is here.